Alright, I'll do a quick video on this Stihl. It's a leaf blower. I got this for my birthday. And it's the Stihl BGA 45. Very nice little leaf blower. I do love the Stihl products. It has a button you press right here, and it gives you the battery. It does have a 1.5 AH battery in here. It has about 10 minutes of runtime. I believe it's maybe a little more than that. It is brand new though. 98 miles per hour for the output. It does work pretty good for the garage of blowing the cat litter out of the way, and then some leaves and the dry stuff. So right here is where you have the charger. Charge it right there. This right here is a little key. You have to have that in for it to operate. So you need that little key. Very simple controls. You push this forward, and then here is the trigger right here. So that's it, operation. Still 4 batteries. All you do is take this. This plug-in is kind of like a little cross or something. So you do have to have it lined up perfectly to get it on there. There it's lined up, showing that it's charging. Kids love it. I love it. It's a wonderful product by Stihl. I have one of their weed trimmers. Always like Stihl. I also have their chainsaw, and have not ever tried one of these electric Stihls. It comes with a 3-year warranty also, which is nice. Stihl does honor their warranty, so I can just take it up to the local Ace and do that. It is very, very light. The 4.4 pounds. Very, very light. My kids can carry it around. I can carry it around. One finger. It's light. So, another one of Stihl's amazing products. Oh, includes the charger, blower. Very simple. This, you just turn it on and off. This just clips together right here. Hopefully you like my videos. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll try to answer them or find an answer for you. You guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching my videos.